Suneel Sehgal for the presentation. So welcome, Suneel.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Tone of the day has been set for energy efficiency, energy conservation by all the eminent speakers. I will take that forward to show the initiatives which we have implemented and what we are going to implement at Khanna Paper Mills. Khanna Paper Mills is situated at the heart of holy city, world famous holy city Amritsar. This gives us a greater responsibility to be a step ahead than the industry, to be more clean, to be more green. So let me start. This is a basic energy which we are using in a pulp and paper. 70% is thermal and 30% is electrical. Steam is being used in digesters, paper machines, and electrical for all the motors, fans, and all the devices. Regarding our scale of operation, Khanna Paper Mill is among the top 7, which is having 35,000 metric ton per month of capacity, and among top 3 at a single site. We are the only one in 3 segments of newsprint, board, writing and printing. We are the largest recycled waste mill. We are having the largest DIP capacity of 750 metric ton. Among top 3 having secondary fiber treatment plant. With this type of machine having 6-meter decal and 1000 MPM, we are among the few. 10 machines in India, which is having the capacity of 10,000 metric ton per month. Khanna Paper Mill is having 2. We are among the top 2 in duplex board, number 1 in newsprint, and among top 2 in paper and board in virgin and recycled section. This is our product portfolio. In packaging board, we are having capacity of 1.6 lakhs tons per annum. In paper, we are 1.2 lakhs tons per annum. In newsprint, 1.4 lakhs tons per annum. These are our customers, partners. The initiatives which we have taken, this is the testimony we have received last month, the award from Punjab State, Energy Conservation. So first I will start with the projects which we have completed. These are the few projects. We have done overhauling of our 14 megawatt turbine, replaced air preheater in our 100 tons per hour boiler, replaced IE1 motors with IE3. In 14 megawatt overhauling, which was taking 5.8 metric ton per megawatt specific steam, after overhauling we achieved 5.4. This 0.4 metric ton per megawatt saving has given us substantial savings of around 6.5 CR per annum. In our air preheater of 100 TPH, there was short circuiting of flue gas with air, which was resulting in heat loss as well as increased auxiliary power. We replaced it with the new one, which resulted in the saving of 1.5% of our boiler efficiency. This slide, I will assure Mr. Prashad, I think he was speaker from Siemens before lunch. So I was just recalling, he gave that we should be very planned in changing the motors. So I assure that we have planned wherever the efficiency was increasing, very less. So we have selected that motors. We have selected the whole systems where we can put and where we can improve. Somewhere we have put VFDs also. So we did a motor study of all our mills. IE1 motors and the motors which we got rewinded more than 3 times. So we selected that and replaced it with the IE3. Then we have calculated the energy savings which we have achieved, which are substantial. This is the list of motors which we have replaced. We have heavily invested, again, aggressively going for energy efficiency. That were the projects which we have completed last year. Now, these are the projects which we are planning in March, April. We are planning for a 40-day shutdown of our half plant, where we are going to replace 17.5 megawatt turbine with 23.3 megawatt turbine, a highly efficient turbine on the same footprint. Present turbine is taking around 5.9 specific steam. The new turbine is taking 5.2. This will be having a lot of energy efficiency. Then sludge dryer is under erection. We are going to implement that. Boiler pressure parts we are changing, ESP upgrading, new cooling tower, coal handling plant. All these we are planning in March, April. In our pulp making process, we are generating sludge around 300 tons per day with the moisture of around 50%. Presently, we are mixing with coal and firing in our boiler. By now tapping the flue gases which are going to chimney, we are going to reduce the moisture to 25%, which will reduce the heat load in our boiler and give us these savings. This is a diagram of where we are going to tap the flue gases, then mix it with our sludge, reduce the moisture content and feed it to our boilers. During the process of pulp manufacturing, we are generating around 100 to 130 tons per day plastic. We are planning incinerator where we will use this waste to generate process steam. This we are going to finalize shortly in a month or so. This is the turbine which is taking a specific stream of 5.9 to 5.2. This will be saving us a lot of energy in the form of steam and power. Presently, we are having 3 turbines synchronized with grid in a single busbar system. Whenever there is a problem in the grid or something else, the whole system trips, resulting in production loss and thus energy loss also. So we are planning for double busbar system, where we will run 1 turbine in parallel with grid and 1 in island mode. Island mode, we will be going for slightly less frequency, which will be giving us more, any loss, any tripping, the other system can take care. So these are the diagram which is presently having 3 turbines in a single bus with grid. We are changing it to this. The non-critical load can be on grid and the critical load can be on boiler, on our turbine, on our system which we are going to operate. Another initiative, we are going to replace all the vacuum pumps with energy efficient turbo blowers. Paper machines require vacuum which is generated by liquid ring vacuum pumps. The turbo blowers take less power consumption as compared to vacuum pumps. There is a saving of power consumption as well as the other benefits of efficiency. No anti-scaling chemical is required and the useful life is double as compared to vacuum pumps. Apart from all this, we have seen wherever VFDs can be put, where variable loads are there. So these are the list of VFDs where we have put. In drum pulper, in dilution pump, prime cell flotation feed pump, screen feed pump, ash handling compressors, in our ID fan. We have replaced even the coal crusher, where it was having, last 10 years it was working, and we were seeing the energy consumption is quite high. So we have replaced it with new efficient coal crusher. We have changed the compressor and inefficient ATP blowers. All these things which we have done, first we have monitored the data, done the audits from external agencies also, CII, BE, other all the reputed auditors. In-house also we have monitored and done the data capturing before and after this replacement. Thanks for your patience listening, sir, and thanks for IPTA for giving me this chance.